In the following scenes, the missile is being raised to its vertical firing position by the lightweight erector servicer equipment. Having completed their missile assembly tasks, here we see members of servicing section observing the missile being raised to the vertical firing position. Utilizing a two-pulley system for mechanical advantage, the 10-ton capacity winch located on the erector servicer vehicle pulls the top of the A-frame from the vertical position to the horizontal position. Two fixed-length cables run from the apex of the A-frame to lugs on each side of the missile body. The base of the A-frame is attached to two pivot points on the launcher. The A-frame pivot points are located directly across from the two tilt ring pivot points on the launcher. The rotating A-frame then pulls the missile up from the horizontal position to its vertical firing position. In this view, looking up at the base of the rotating missile, we can see the 4 carbon jet vanes which extend into the rocket engine exhaust plume during powered flight. These ablative carbon jet vanes are used for initial missile steering during takeoff by deflecting the rocket exhaust plume until there is sufficient airflow over the 4 air rudders to take over steering control. To prevent the missile from tumbling over as it is hoisted to its full vertical position, just prior to the missile rotating through its center of gravity point, the erector servicer winch was turned off. At this point, 2 hydraulic snubber jacks, which are attached to the launcher, engage the tilt ring to support the missile. Hydraulic pressure to the 2 snubbers was slowly bled off in order to allow the missile to settle to its full upright position. Finally, the erector servicer winch was re-engaged to pull the A-frame to the full horizontal position. With the missile now in its full vertical firing position, servicing section personnel conducted fueling operations. Firing section personnel conducted vertical checkout of the inertial guidance system. They also loaded in the pitch program and range to target data for the fire mission. The missile was then precisely rotated on the launcher with fin 1 pointing toward the target. Redstone had a maximum range of 201 statute miles and could reach a maximum altitude of 55 miles. At atmospheric reentry interface, the missile body was traveling at Mach 5.5.